Welcome. In this video I will show you how to put your LENOVO G70-35 laptop on a lock screen. If you want to put your device on a lock screen, you'll either have to tap on the start button, then go to your account and then select lock, and this will put your laptop on the lock screen. Now you can also use a more convenient way to do that just by using the shortcut. I will show it to you in a second. So the shortcut is Windows combined with L button. So just press the Windows button with L button at the same time, like this, and this will put your device on a lock screen in a second. And that's it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.